beautiful day you made. Such a glorious, as you walk on by, as you walk on by, you are sweeter than sweeter. Scripture says you're sweeter than sweeter, sweeter than a honeycomb, a honeycomb. Then I know what it means to experience your sweetness. You're sweeter than sweetness. You're sweetness. You're sweeter than honey, Jesus. Sweeter than a honeycomb. Sweeter than a honeycomb. You're sweet. You're sweeter. How sweet you are, because you always made things better for us. See, when we're sick, you said you're healing. When we're down, you said pick us up. When we're down, pick us up. When we're weak, you said we're strong. So you're sweeter. Saying you put no more on us than we can bear. We can bear, Lord. You're sweeter. You're sweeter. You're sweeter than the honeycomb. Sweeter. You say you're God, and you know what we have need of before we ask you, and that you're provider. You are sweeter. Hallelujah. You're sweeter. I feel your power. Say you're sweeter. You're sweeter. Sweeter than a honeycomb. Y'all gotta give me. I feel like praising God right here. And it's another thing you do. You forgive us, wash us, make us over again. We don't deserve you. We should not have you. Such a friend, a God who's able, more than able. You're sweeter, sweeter than sweeter. Your name, your name, your name. Oh Lord, early in the morning, your name, your name. Jesus, your name, your name. Your name, your name. Your name, your name, your name, sweeter than honey, honeycomb. Sweeter, sweeter. If you never do another thing, it's sweeter, sweeter than sweeter. You're sweeter. Can you say sweeter. Come on, talk back to Jesus. Tell him, say, Lord, you're sweeter. Lord, you're sweeter. Sweeter than a honeycomb. Sweeter, sweeter. Sweeter, sweet, 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 Jesus, sweet, power in your name, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus is sweet.